Yeah, Thomas G here with once again another cryptocurrency video for you guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to E2X, next generation staking platform on the Ethereum blockchain. So T2X team came together and put what they've accomplished to have sustaining for over 114 days now, and they developed from this being on the Tron blockchain as far as T2X token.io. They did E2X token.io on the Ethereum blockchain. The kicker here, though, is, and if we go, let me go to the main page, is it not only is it on the Ethereum blockchain, but this platform is going to be able to distribute some dividends to T2X. So it's going to drip out in some way, some fashion. Um, as this grows, it's going to feed into T2X. So T2X holders are going to now have divs that they're going to earn from the growth and the magnitude of the Ethereum that actually goes into this platform every day. It's going to help feed the divs on T2X. So they will correspond with each other in that fashion. E2X developed and optimized to reward those who participate in the platform. Derived from the ideas behind previous staking platform, ETX takes it to the next level, giving back 90% of all ETH tokens that enter the daily lobby auction, easily making E2X one of the most lucrative staking platforms available. So this is the platform. I'll put the link in the description. How can I get my E2X? The daily auction. We'll take a look at that. How can I earn E2X? By staking your ETX. So tomorrow after I get my tokens, I'm going to stake them just like I do T2X. And here's all the frequently asked questions here. Can I have multiple stakes? Yes. Can I end my stake early? Yes. Am I penalized for ending my stake early? Yes. 50% of your earned stakes will be distributed to remaining stakers. Can I modify my stake once it's started? No. What's the staking minimum and the staking maximum duration? 1 day through 5,555 days. Maximum number of tokens I can stake? No maximum. Okay. What do I do when my stake duration ends? Complete steps by executing the end stake function. After a 2-week period of not claiming your end stake, you'll be charged 1% each week that passes. What else can I do with my E2X tokens? Initially, staking will be the main focus of the platform. Shortly after, we'll begin developing the smart contract apps and games utilizing E2X. This is awesome. This is awesome. The light papers here, guys. Always read light papers. You'll see here it still has the T2X logo here. The white paper, now that I look at it, is the T2X light paper. So there is no E2X light paper that I see here. I'm sure I can find that by just going into Telegram and asking about it. I'm not worried about that. I trust the team enough. But yeah, let's go into the platform and let's get into the auction, guys. That's the plan here, and I'll find out on future videos how much. If you guys want to know how T2X is doing, the div pools have been growing again. I staked this on day 111, so I have 2 days of payouts. My 1.8 million, I've earned 2,803 TRX, and it's a 15-day stake. So I'm still gonna walk away with anywhere between 12 to 15,000 TRX based off how it's been doing prior to E2X feeding the div pool. So as T2X continues to last and the div pools can grow, definitely momentum's here because of E2X as well. E2X is going to provide some, more div and opportunity for people to earn not only on E2X but T2X as well. So we're going to join the. Oh wow, do they have an X swap here? Coming soon. We're going to join the auction. It's the first day of auction. You can enter 98.53 Ethereum's already in here. Let me go to CoinGecko really quick. Let me take a look at what 98.5 ETH is worth. This is day one, guys. 98.5. It's 38,317 USD in the first day already. The first few hours. So one ETH right now, you get 50,605 E2X. So when you're staking your E2X, you're going to earn Ethereum divs and interest in E2X. So you're going to produce ETH, where T2X you'd produce Tron divs and T2X token interest payouts. So I'm going to go in right now, and I'm going to start off with one Ethereum, and I'll see how the lobby does today, see how everything plays out. We're to confirm. Looks like the price of ETH went down a little bit too, 390 for one ETH. Let me take a look how these other investments are looking. Wow, this is dropping. Yoda's dropping right now. Might have to pull out and just throw it into E2X and save my money. But it's been dipping and going up. But that's another video. Let's see. See if the transaction's still pending really quick. I didn't speed it up. I mean, you could, but what's that going to cost? Is it necessary? $1.05. I guess I could do it, but I found like on platforms like this, I'm not speeding up any gas fees or anything like that unless I'm using Uniswap and selling and buying tokens. Man, Yoda, 7 tokens right now. I feel like going and spending 1 Ethereum and buying more on the dip, but I don't even think the site's working. All right, let's take a look here and see what's going on. If the transaction is going to go through. Yeah, so it did. So I'm in 1 ETH. It's about to hit 100 ETH. And my shares at this point is 50,047 E2X. So that's going to go down for the simple fact that more Ethereum is going to come into here. Yeah, I'm going to have to get more aggressive. You know what? When Yoda goes back, man, Yoda could be such a big play or such a bad play. If I can double my money on Yoda, I'm down a little bit. I'm going to go in fat tonight. I have to see tomorrow. But let me see how much ETH I have left. Because I want to buy some Wise token tonight, at least 0.5. Yeah. I'm going to go 1 more Ethereum into this. Enter. And we'll take a look right now how the referral system works here. So let's see. Click on referral. Your referrals will earn 5% minted E2X when on their stake end as a referrer. You'll earn an extra 20%. There's no limits on the number nor the amount of referrals that you get. Okay, so the link will be in the description. We got 21 hours and 44 minutes until the auction ends, and then I can collect them, stake them. Then it takes a day of it to process through, and the day after I'll start to earn divs. I think I'm going to do a 5-day stake, but that's yet to be determined. So I'm excited about this, man. It's going to help support T2X. It's a platform that I love on the Tron blockchain, but on the Ethereum blockchain. So, have fun with it, guys. It's a lot of Ethereum to already be in there. In the first 4 hours, they're going to end up with 500 ETH. If they get to even 200 Ethereum, it's almost 100 grand. So not bad, not too bad. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll do it again. Yeah, dog.